Have you ever wondered why some YouTube videos get millions of views while others with better content get ignored? The answer lies in one crucial element that most creators completely mess up. Your thumbnail isn't just a pretty picture, it's your video's first impression, your sales pitch, and your ticket to the algorithm's good graces, all rolled into one tiny rectangle. Today, I'm going to break down the killer four-path formula that separates viral thumbnails from thumbnail disasters. This isn't theory, this is the exact system that top creators use to generate millions of clicks. And by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to transform your channel's performance overnight. Path number one is killer time allocation, and this is where 90% of creators fail before they even start. Most people spend maybe 5 minutes throwing together a thumbnail, but here's the reality check you need. Top YouTubers spend more time on their thumbnails than most creators spend on their entire videos. The magic number is the 1 to 10 rule. For every hour you spend creating content, you should invest at least 6 minutes crafting your thumbnail. That means if you spend 10 hours on a video, you're dedicating a full hour to thumbnail creation. This isn't excessive, it's strategic. Your thumbnail determines whether your 10 hours of work gets seen by 10 people or 10,000 people. During this time allocation, you're not just designing, you're researching. Look at your top performing videos in your niche. Study what thumbnails are getting clicks and trending. Screenshot thumbnails that make you want to click even when you're not interested in the topic. This research phase is pure gold and separates amateur creators from professionals. Path number two dives into killer psychology, and this is where things get fascinating. Human brains are wired to respond to specific visual triggers within milliseconds. The most powerful trigger is contrast, both visual and emotional. Your thumbnail needs to pop off the screen like it's jumping through the monitor. Colors play a massive role here. Bright, saturated colors like red, yellow, and orange create urgency and excitement. Blue builds trust but can be passive. The key is using complementary colors that create natural tension. Think bright yellow text on a dark blue background, or vibrant red elements against green scenery. Facial expressions are psychological goldmines. Shocked faces, confused looks, pointing gestures, and exaggerated emotions tap into our mirror neuron system. When viewers see an emotion, they unconsciously feel that emotion. This creates an instant connection before they even read your title. The rule of thirds applies here too. Place your most important elements along the intersection points of an imaginary grid, dividing your thumbnail into 9 sections. This creates natural visual flow and keeps viewers engaged longer, which signals quality to YouTube's algorithm. Path 3 focuses on curiosity triggers, and this is your secret weapon for irresistible click-through rates. Curiosity gaps are psychological loopholes that make clicking feel almost involuntary. You create these gaps by showing partial information, unusual combinations, or unexpected contrasts. Before and after elements work like magic. Show the problem and hint at the solution without revealing everything. Numbers and specific quantities trigger our pattern-seeking brains. Instead of lose weight, use lost 30 pounds. Instead of make money, try earned $5,000. Mystery elements keep viewers guessing. Partially hidden objects, blurred sections, or cropped images force viewers to click just to satisfy their curiosity. Question marks, arrows, and circles direct attention and create visual intrigue. Path 4 ensures your thumbnail matches your title perfectly, creating a unified message that amplifies your click-through rate. Your thumbnail and title should tell one cohesive story, not compete for attention. If your title promises a tutorial, your thumbnail should show tools or step-by-step elements. If your title asks a question, your thumbnail should visualize that question or hint at the answer. This alignment builds trust and sets proper expectations. Text overlays on thumbnails should complement, not repeat your title. If your title says Amazing Transformation, your thumbnail text might say 30 days or Unbelievable Results. This creates a complete narrative that's impossible to ignore. Testing remains crucial for optimization. Create multiple thumbnail versions and let YouTube's split testing feature determine winners. Small changes in colors, expressions, or text placement can double your click-through rates. Remember, your thumbnail isn't just competing against other videos in your niche. It's competing against every piece of content on YouTube. Master these four paths and you'll transform your channel from invisible to unavoidable.